Hey, what's up, beautiful people, ladies and gentlemen all over the world? I bring you greetings all the way from my house where I'm all dressed up for my date night for Valentine's. And I have with me my beautiful wife, who is also getting dressed. Are you fully dressed now?
I'm not even fully dressed because Ayo's got shoes and socks on. I said, baby, are you wearing shoes and socks for this lockdown date night? He said, yes. Me too, let me put shoes and socks. Let me put shoes on. But the only thing that's upsetting me is that I'm actually not wearing any toenail varnish. So my feet feel a bit bare. And
you just done your hair,
I like open toe shoes.
looking smexy. And I'm trying to look good as well. I'm not doing too bad myself. Okay, so basically, dinner is all set. According to my wife, I'm yet to see that. Okay, but she says dinner is all set. So I'm just chilling here and I'm going to be going downstairs to see what we're going to be having. She's putting so much effort into this. I know what we're having anyway. Sorry?
Nude lipstick. Nude lipstick.
Is this one
or
nude
red?
now?
No, well, nude is like this, so I'll just put lip liner.
So which one is on this now?
Nothing, but that's what nude is.
I saw your lips sexy like this. No. You've rubbed something there.
No, seriously, nude or red?
Because it's Valentine's, let's do something reddish. Okay. Where's my blazer?
Don't tell me you have a red blazer. Red blazer.
Wow.
Okay. Let me add red. The thing is, I've got different types of red. Should we have a matte red or a shiny red? Which one do you prefer?
Which one is matte red?
Matte is like dry looking. It's not glossy.
No, we want the glossy one. The kissy one. Kissy. We want the kissy one. So give us the kissy.
Okay.
Give us the kissy. Is it matte? The kissy ready. The kissy red lip.
The glossy red lip.
The glossy one.
All right.
So give us the glossy one. And then what? We can go downstairs? Good. I'm smelling like $1 million right now. Like I sprayed one of my most expensive perfumes. Looking, I have to smell good for my wife. This is what we're saying. You need to make an effort, okay? When life throws lemons at you, they say you make lemonade, okay? So we don't want to cry because, it's lockdown and things are not really good. We're trying to make lemonade, okay? So this is us just trying to do our best, trying to do something with the current situation that we have, okay? Hope you guys had a good Valentine's Day. So we just thought we'd bring you along to see what we're going to be doing. I don't even know what we're going to be doing.
Put Mickey and Maya to bed.
Yeah. So we just put the kids to bed, put Mickey and Maya to bed. They didn't want to go to bed. Like, they want to do Valentine with us.
They actually said that.
And I'm like, chill, guys. Like, this Valentine is for mommy and daddy. Okay, so right now they're asleep, thank God. Funny enough, I don't think Mickey is asleep yet. But Maya is asleep. And so we're going to just enjoy the rest of the day together. So come along with us, okay? Don't jealous us, because we're going to be eating. I think it's a 3-course meal, isn't it, baby?
It is, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be having a 3-course meal. And I guess we're just going to have our normal kind of Valentine's conversations. And hopefully, exchange some gifts. I believe she has something for me.
Wait, oh. Baby, it's because, but the love is already there. I've not written my card.
I'm used to I owe you.
No, let me not lie. I've not written my card, but I'll say what comes from the heart. Because it's not like do you have my card from last year?
Yeah, keep all your stuff now. So I have the card, I have everything. We have it. So so hopefully I have a gift or a card, as she says.
Hopefully you have gifts.
And gifts, you see? I'm feeling loved already.
Oh no, that was for me. Like, you have gifts for me.
Anyways, we shall see about that. I'm not even sure if we're going to show you the gift. The gift is personal.
It's true.
Okay. But yeah, hopefully we have that. We'll do the gift exchanging on the exchange of
high
gifts.
heels and falling in your house. Because I think that's what might happen to me. I haven't worn heels for so long that I might fall down.
Oh, you fall down. It's been I actually felt like just wearing cloth.
Not tracksuit bottoms.
Not shorts.
Exactly.
I had an interview last year, and then for my interview, I wore my blazer and I wore a pair of shorts, like pajama shorts, to the interview because the interview was via Zoom. Okay, so yeah, so come with us. Let us go out. Okay, I'm taking my wife out, and out just happens to be downstairs of the house.
What's
Can
the
you
name of the
believe?
restaurant?
The restaurant is Ayo and Mama Put. Ayope's fine dining mixed with a little bit of Mama Put.
Mama Put.
Okay, Mama Sita. Okay, baby, let's go downstairs.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Good night, Mickey. Mickey's still saying good
Life was
night.
great till you added colors.
Okay,
Like the
now,
moon needs to
Mr.
snow,
Hanson's
you don't
coming
care
through.
about the others. You said
What you say? What you say?
Fine boy, no pimples.
Thank you,
And
thank
I love
you,
your
thank you.
swag and I love your dimple. And he actually has a dimple.
heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Okay, so this is so here we
Set
have
my
what do you call
world on fire.
King
King prawns, king prawns,
we have king prawns
and calamari.
and calamari.
Peppered king prawns and calamari.
Peppered king prawns and
Pepper
calamari.
them gang. So that's just apple juice.
This is just apple juice.
Juice.
Wow, baby, it's been 10 years, you know.
I know, right? What was our second Valentine's Day? I remember our first. The second, what happened? We weren't married by then, were we? No.
Wow, second Valentine. No,
No.
I don't remember our second though.
Me too.
Obviously, the first one was very significant. The second one was not so significant because second one was just the one before the wedding. Although by the second one, we were engaged.
Yeah, we were.
We were engaged and we had just gotten engaged a month before, isn't it?
Yeah, so maybe before that you didn't need to spend any money on me again.
No, baby, there's no Valentine. There's no Valentine that I have not spent with you.
That's true.
There's no Valentine
That's
that
true.
I've not, celebrated you. I feel like comedy nights are not really nice. It's
When
not
it's-
the same thing when you're watching the Val TV. I might as well watch it on YouTube.
Yeah, but even when we watch on YouTube, we're still cracking up, baby.
But
We might do that tonight, actually. Maybe instead of watching a movie, we'll go and just watch some comedy.
so you really want us to watch? What's this movie that you think we should watch?
Namaste Wahala.
Namaste Wahala.
Yeah.
Sorry, does anybody know Namaste Wahala?
It's been released on Netflix today. Bollywood meets Hollywood. I need to even tell my friends as well.
Wait, it's not Hollywood. You said it was a Niger babe.
Sorry, Bollywood
Meets Nollywood.
with Nollywood.
So them they were singing all those Indian songs.
Yeah. So yeah, it's actually gonna be a good one. I feel like it's gonna be really good. I don't know what to expect of it. I feel like I'm just gonna expect a lot of singing and dancing. Do you want calamari for a prawn?
I don't mind. Thank you. See? We're
Yes, what
doing
we do.
business.
Thank you, baby. Yeah.
Don't follow.
And the funny thing is, guys, this is very Odikwa, very risky for me. Let me tell you why. And you're not even stopping me. Because I've had a prawn allergic reaction before. Even my wrist is already itching. But I've realized it's the shell. So what I do is I just make sure I take off all the shell.
No,
Sir?
you had a reaction.
Sir?
You had a reaction. We don't know what it was.
It was prawn
We
shell.
don't know whether it was prawn shell.
It was
we don't know
prawn
whether
shell.
it was the crab or
I've had
lobster.
crab. I've had crab after. I've had lobster after. So it was definitely the prawn
This
shell.
was sometime last year. Was it 2 years ago? Like, I feel like we need to actually tell the story, isn't it? Maybe in another vlog.
My face swelled up. I was like,
I was scared, fam. I was scared. Literally woke up in the middle of the night.
And my face looked like you were like,
Scared. Thought I was watching a scary movie.
guys, I even brought a bag. Even though we just came downstairs, I actually brought a bag because why not? It's got nothing in it but lip gloss and lip liner. But yeah, I thought why
And
not?
I actually brought my wallet.
You
Because I still have to pay for the bills.
You brought your wallet. Oh my god, baby, that's actually
Fat
jokes.
wallet.
That's a joke. You actually
Full of
brought...
pounds and dollars.
Amen. Wait, so you actually brought your wallet to do what?
I'm just used to carrying my wallet.
That's so funny. That's hilarious. That's actually funny. I thought I was being funny, but that is funny. But anyway, you can pay the person who cooked.
I would always pay the person who cooked in kind.
Me offer kind. Me offer cash. Me offer cash. I want cash.
In fact, I've been paying the person who cooked
In
for
kind.
the past 10 years.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Guys, let me even tell you one story, yeah. So, what restaurant did we go to? Very expensive restaurant. I'm not even going to say the name. Anyway, so when we got there, I couldn't finish the food for some reason or another, but I ordered the most expensive thing on the menu. So I was like, okay.
Why did you do that?
Because we went to an expensive restaurant.
Why did you have to order the most expensive?
Because it was an expensive
Because
restaurant.
you're greedy.
Okay. Anyway, so I was like, oh, excuse me, we're ready. Can we have the bill now? Can I have this to go? Sorry, madam, it's not in our policy to pack things away. I said, sorry. On top food that I paid for. He said, no, we don't pack our food away. So what am I supposed to do with this? We just throw it away.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna